Hello everyone, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a design team package that was sent from Lisa. She started her shop, which is mylittlecraftyshop.com. Don't forget to support her, check out her website, and also subscribe to her YouTube channel and Instagram, which everything will link down below. Before we get started, I do have a discount code right here, which is Karina10 to get 10% off cutting dies. Alright you guys, so here is my design team package. So I'm just gonna go through everything one by one. So we have these fun Halloween sentiment packs, and I am planning to use these for my October daily. You see there's a bunch of different sentiments and sayings. It doesn't say how many you get, but you can tell from the packaging there is a lot. So I can't wait to start using these and to get started on some Halloween stuff. We also have these pretty rolled up flowers in different colors. Get 2 of each. And I have a hard time making these flowers, so I'm happy that I got some to play with. So now for the dies. This is like a cute box container. So I think this is the cover, I believe, and there's a window that you can do, and this might be the bottom. Either this is the top or the bottom, I'm not sure. And then the box itself. I can't wait to start playing with this. We also got a butterfly die. These are super cute. You get 2 different sizes. It comes with the little body piece, and then I think this is like for the middle, so you can make a bow out of it, I believe. And it does have a stitching detail on it, which I love, even on the butterfly. And then I'm super excited for this die. I love rosettes. You get 4 different designs, and they each have a different style at the end. So you get these with the little teardrop on it, small little zigzag design, and you get a little diamond in there and another zigzag. And then these are larger ones. These are going to be fun to play with. So that is everything in my design team package. Huge shout out to Lisa. Don't forget to check her out and stay tuned to see what I create. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.